Goodness, I cannot believe that I finally have Mega Mewtwo X, EX, Vanishing Strike. It's just so overpowered. Okay, I need to go get a picture of that. Okay. It's missing? Okay. What? Do you have it, mister?
No.
Get over here. Show, empty your pockets.
Nothing in there.
Get over here. Why does your shirt have a football tie on?
What?
Don't you realize that this is a Pokemon video that I was
There's
trying to
nothing
film?
in here.
Okay, I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Did you see anybody steal it?
No.
Then who did it?
No.
Really? Then why were you right there?
I was hiding.
Why were you hiding?
Because I wanted to hide.
Are you playing hide and seek?
Yeah.
With who? Because they might be a thief.
My invisible friend.
Get back! This is gonna end in war.
What?
When I say war happens, war happens. Where are you?
I'm back. Oh.
You're back. What about me?
Get back here.
Better watch yourself, boy.
Ah. 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 Ah, stop it.
Oh no, not this. The worst thing for this ever. Come on. Okay. No Nerf War can beat. I cannot be beaten.
Ah! Oh, good. Ah.
Well. One little shot in the leg and you're done for. You little wimp.
I'm not a whip. Now who's the victor?
That's what he thinks. I'm wearing a bulletproof vest. You idiot. Oh, nice. He left his gun. He is a little idiot. I'm gonna go get him.
Yes, I found his gun.
Take this, loser. So, now that you've made me have some blood on my hands, ready to give up the card?
You want to know what your precious card is?
Yeah?
It's right here. Ah. I did have the real card.
Hey guys, I know that this is a short video and that you might want a longer one, so if I get 2 likes on this video or a comment about it, then I will upload another one today. Just tell me
This.
by leaving a like or something. Just come on. If you want another one, because it's only like 4 minutes, but it took like 3 hours to record it.
And 5 hours recording and editing.
Yeah.
It's really tiring.
Yeah, right. You're not the person who had to set up all the shots and then edit it. So, I just
I
realized
got
that
shot in the leg.
So...
And then as it happened, I fell down.
Okay, I was going to put this at the beginning, but now it's going to be at the end. You little crazy person. Also, if he ever is out of the frame, that's his fault. I told him where to be. So, yep, Taylor, what do you say to all those times that you were out of frame?
Sorry.
Okay. Well, I guess that's it for this. Goodbye. I wasn't planning on actually doing anything like this. I was planning on just having that story. And just so you guys know, go get it. Go get the card. Go get the card. First of all, just in case he accidentally ripped it, I had him have a Caterpie. And he actually ripped a piece of paper. You might have seen the little scraps. This is the real card. It's right here. But
Yeah, you guys, we're showing you this now because
Zach,
no,
I'm
it's
so
fine.
bad with cameras.
Because
Yeah, you
I
hold
didn't show that best of luck stuff.
I made him, whenever he was showing it, show the backside. You may have noticed that. And that's because, I thought you were holding it. Because all the backsides of my Pokemon cards look the same. Wait a second, is that a... Look right there. There's a little teensy little scratch. Oh, I'm so mad.
Whoops.
I'm so salty.
You're so salty.
Okay, well, anyway, I just made this video 2 minutes longer. That's like doubling it almost. Well, I'm going to end this here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget about the comment for your chance to win another video today.
And check out
And
my channel. Sooner or later.
I was going to put that in the description. I forgot to do that on one of my other videos. But, yep, it's another one with hips. So you'll enjoy it.
Yes.
Okay.
Please enjoy it.
Bye.
Bye.
I missed the pause. I missed. Okay, for reals this time. For reals.
For reals.
From Andy. Sorry, let's get the sad moment over with. Okay. Mega Mewtwo XEX signing out.
Bye.
No, you didn't do it right. Give me my card back. Mega Mewtwo XEX signing out. Goodbye.